Talofa lava everyone. My name is Chris, ULUTUPU, as Leafa had said, and I'm a visual artist here in Pōneke. And it's great to be here and be part of the fellowship.
I guess obviously we're talking about the fellowship, so can you please tell us a little bit about your process, your creative process during the fellowship?
Majority of it has been just phone conversations with my collaborators, which are my sisters, Faye ULUTUPU and Ashley ULUTUPU.
Love them, love it!
So they featured a lot in my practice, and sometimes really willingly, and they're really into it, and sometimes they're kind of like, nah, I don't want to do it, which is expected from diva behavior. But I really love working with them, and this time for this fellowship residency, I've discussed that I really wanted to look at my hometown in Nelson and really explore some of these ideas of what it was like to grow up in Nelson, because it differs from from Porirua in the fact that there's very little Pacific Island community down in Nelson.
That's the beautiful thing about when you in some ways are forced by economics to include your family, because who else is going to take a yelling or see you in your bad moods and stuff like that. And I mean, I know myself, having collaborated with both my daughters, we collaborate quite frequently, Faith and Olive, and so it's I mean, it's still just a family environment, hey. And even though there's this art going on, there's still those, sometimes if someone's had a bad day with you, how important is it to showcase the lived experiences of Moana artists, do you think?
I think it's super important, and I think it gets more important when there are, I guess, under our current global climate, the marginalised need avenues to be able to voice those opinions. And I think it's super important that initiatives like this, the Tautai Fellowship, as well as many other Pacific initiatives, help promote those voices. Because without them, sometimes, we might be lost in the ether. People forget that we're here.